Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a smooth slow motions effect in CapCut PC. So first you can just add the clips that you want to edit, and to easily create a smooth a slow motion effect, you can click on a clip and add to the speed at the top. Here you can use the standard, and if you want to make the slow motion effect, you can just swipe the speed what is called the speed in here to the left and adjust how slower you want it to become. So for example, I'm going to make it 0.6 times slower, and here if you want to make it smooth, you can click on this enable this smooth slow-mo. Click on the frame blending in here and choose the optical flow. So it will take a longer time to process, but it will have a better quality than the frame blending. So the smooth slow motion will be on process, and this is the preview. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.